Of all the countries I have with fond memories, amongst them is Jamaica. I was very fortunate during the year 2000 to 2002 to 3 doing some work with the Minister of Education for Culture and Young People in Jamaica, writing a couple of books for the people of the children of Trelawney for their schools to raise monies. And I also received a phone call from Nelson Mandela saying that he loved one of my African Jamaican stories. But whenever I think about Jamaica, it's impossible to think of it without thinking about Bob Marley. And I remember of the few occasions that I was fortunate enough to visit there, this is a song that was forever sung amongst all the visitors, all the holiday makers. Bob Marley's Three Little Birds. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. So don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds hit by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds hit by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, no, every little thing's gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. So don't worry, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, because everything's gonna be alright.